guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Vanessa and welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you click the subscribe button so you join my family for more video. I'm going to be doing a product review. I'm going to be reviewing the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Foundation. This is what the foundation looks like. From the website, the foundation is £9. That's somewhere around 4,000 to 5,000 naira. On the bottle, it says Conceal and Hydrate Radiance Foundation with Hyaluronic Acid, medium to full coverage. So it is not a full coverage foundation, it is medium coverage, but it's buildable. I've had this foundation for a while now. I've had it since like December, I think. I wasn't really using it at that time because I had foundations I liked then, so I really wasn't using it that much. But recently I got into the foundation and baby, I really like it. Like, I really like this foundation. So today I'm going to review it. I know it's quite old because this foundation came out like last year or the year before. I don't know. But still gonna do it regardless. I'm in the shade F14. I'm going to do my brows. I'm done with my brows now. If you want to see how I do my brows, I have a detailed eyebrow tutorial. I'm going to link it up here. So this foundation is medium to full coverage. I like foundations like this. Sometimes I want really full coverage, and sometimes I just want something like really light and breathable. I don't want to prime. I'm just going to use this moisturizer serum from Secure Cosmetics and just moisturize my face. I'm going to shake this up, and then I'm going to take one pump. Let's see what one pump will do. Take my foundation brush now, just take a little and start working this into my skin. I quite like the coverage of this foundation when I'm using a brush as opposed to when I'm using a sponge, because you know sponges soak up products. Side with foundation, and this is without foundation. Can you see, like, just with one pump and my foundation brush, I already have like really good coverage, and I don't want to build on this because it looks amazing. I'm going to do the other part of my face with a sponge so you guys see what I'm talking about. See the difference with a sponge and with a brush. It might look like I added more products on this side, but I promise you I used the same amount of products on this side as I used here. So there you have it. If you want maximum coverage, use a brush. If you want a really lightweight coverage, you can use a sponge. Take a little bit more, just a wee bit. And then I'm going to build on it with my brush. Can you see? Like, it looks amazing. I really love this foundation. Like, I love the finish. It's not too matte and it's not too oily as well. I'm going to do a wear test though. So let me just go over everything with my sponge, you know, just to soak up any excess product before I set it. To do a little bit of highlights, and then I'll set my face. Now I'm going to set the highlighted parts of my face with my setting powder. of my face now with my MAC Studio Fix powder. I'm going to do my eyes and I'll be back to complete the finished look. I know you like it. I know you do. I'm going to do a wear test, so it's 1, so I'll check in like 5 to 6 hours to show you guys what my face will be looking like. It's currently past 8 p.m. so I've been wearing this foundation for close to 8 hours, if not more, and this is what my face is looking like. I didn't really do anything special. I just cleaned my room and then I cooked, and that is it. So this is what my face is looking like after 8 hours. I have a little bit of what do I call it? I don't know, the foundation moved a bit because I think I rested my face on my hand or something, so it moved. But over here I have no visible, I don't know what I call it. You know what I'm trying to say. My face is still looking really okay. Like if I should touch up with powder, I didn't touch up or anything, and I sweated because you know I did some things in the house, so I sweated. I didn't touch my face. Even while I was sweating, I didn't touch my face. I just allowed the sweat dry off on its own. So yeah, so this is my face. You can tell already from the review, this foundation is really nice. Like the foundation is so bomb, and so if you can get your hands on it, please cop it. It's really nice and it's so lightweight. So this is the end of the video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment down below if you'll be purchasing this foundation soon. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. I'm begging you. Subscribe to my channel. Yeah. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.